Welcome. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of generating a QR code for your Facebook business page. Having a QR code for your Facebook page is an excellent way to promote your business both online and offline. With a QR code, people can easily scan it with their mobile phones and instantly follow your Facebook page. To generate a QR code for your Facebook business page, simply open the Facebook page in a Chrome web browser. If you're using a Chrome browser on your computer, right-click anywhere on the page, and select Create QR Code for this page from the list. The Chrome browser will automatically generate a QR code for the Facebook page URL. Once the QR code is generated, click on Download to save the code to your computer. Whether you use a Mac or PC, the QR code will work. You can then print it out and share it wherever you like, such as on business cards, flyers, or posters. When someone scans the QR code with their mobile phone, they'll be taken to your Facebook business page. This makes it easy for people to follow your page, check out your content, and stay updated on your latest offerings. In summary, creating a QR code for your Facebook business page is a simple and effective way to promote your business both online and offline. So, follow the steps I've outlined, generate your QR code, and start sharing it today.